Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm basically at home, bored in the house and in the house bored, and I want to put some nails on, and thankfully MODELONES decided to hook your girl up with a gel starter kit, but there is 2 PolyGel inside that I'm very curious to try. But they sent me this big giant kit and I kind of want to do like a little unboxing for you. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do a really quick intro, and a big thank you to MODELONES for sending me this kit. So let's get these nails did. But before I jump right in and start doing my nails, P.S. I've never done this set before. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna learn today. So basically this is the big giant kit, and I kind of want to show you guys what's in it. And this kit is called Gel Starter Kit. Link will be in my description box if you're interested. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors here. Seems to be pretty warm tones colors, and 2 PolyGel, and a top coat and a base coat. Then in the kit there's something here in this little thing here. Oh, it's like a little tweezer thing that you can put your rhinestones on with. Very cool. Ooh, so it comes with a little tweezer looking thing, but it's not a tweezer. And then this big ziplocky bag thing, and in here you have removable UV gel like wipes, so you can take off that sticky thing off your nails like once it's done curing. A nail clipper, a little brush, nail file. Seems to be like 3 in here of different grits. These things that you put on your toes while you're painting. And seems to be quite a couple things in here. So this is this little kit section. Then they sent this thing which is also for like holographic nails. They sent a little tester wheel so you can you know, paint them for swatches. A few of them are broken, but then this little thing here is for the, oh, this is for the PolyGel. So this is what the forms that you use to apply the PolyGel. Also, don't look at my nails, they're kind of ratchet. Ooh, they sent these 4 glitter things, like the little flakes, the little, oh, that's so pretty. And they also sent little rhinestone stuff as well. And then these are like little stickers or decals that you can put on your nails. This is for the PolyGel, the little dual-sided thing here. They also sent a giant curing lamp in here. Oh my god, I feel like it's Christmas. So they sent this lamp, and I'm so excited to take this out because it's so big. Do you see how big this lamp is? Like my entire hand can fit in here. The lamp that Renee and I have, it's like a little miniature lamp. Only like this part of your finger can go inside, but please don't tell me I broke it. Please don't tell me I broke it. Please don't tell me I broke it. Okay. We're good. Okay, so based on what I can tell, I'm going to need my PolyGel, and I'm going to be using that PolyGel there. I'm going to need this little pen thing, which is basically a brush and the thing to scoop the PolyGel off. And then I'm going to need this just in case I have any dust that I need to brush away. Then I'm going to need a nail file for sure. So let's open these up. So this one is more of a, I don't know what that is. It's very soft though, it's more of a buffer. This one is going to be the one that I use to really file my nails. So we're gonna need these 2 here. And I'm gonna just use this cuticle pusher in case I need it. Then you're gonna need the forms for the PolyGel, and this is what those look like. So I'm gonna get some alcohol and stuff just to kind of get things started. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is match these things up to my nails, so to make sure that it's the right size, and you know, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do now. So now I'm just gonna like file my nails a little bit as per the instructions, and there are instructions right here on the right, your left, on how to do the PolyGel. So the first step is to clean and file your nails. Now I'm gonna take the base coat and I'm just going to apply a thin layer. And the great thing about this lamp is that it has a timer. So you know exactly how much time you have left, which comes in handy, and I really like that. Okay, time to get the PolyGel in the form, and I'm basically squeezing it directly from the tube. I actually ended up making a big mistake on this nail. I did it completely wrong, but I still wanted to show it to you so you can learn from my mistake. Mistake number one, I put way too much in the form. You don't need that much. You literally need a pea size because it literally, a small amount goes a long way. So as you guys can see, I'm patting the PolyGel in the form now, trying to mold it. You're gonna need a little bit of alcohol on the side to dip your brush into, just to kind of help the product move around. And you're going to need it because it's very sticky. And it's just a lot of patting motion. So once you do that and pat it to your desired shape, you're going to want to attach it to your nail. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying the form onto my nails, and as I'm pushing on it, which I'm pushing way too hard, so that's your mistake number two. A lot of the product is oozing out around the side, but that's okay because you can just clean it up, and it's really easy to clean up. Trust me, you're able to manipulate this product so much. Then I cured it. Mistake number three, you have to clean up the underneath of the nail as well, because underneath this nail was so thick, you guys. It was horrible. It was so thick. I ended up removing this nail, but I wanted to show you my mistake. So I decided to quit using the pink PolyGel because I feel like it was just way too pink and I wasn't a big fan. So I decided to start using the clear PolyGel. As you guys can see, I already did a couple fingers and I'm just curing them, but this went a lot smoother than I thought. But I'm going to show you guys an update. Alright guys, I'm back with a really quick update. All my PolyGel is on. Some are filed, some aren't, as you can see here. I'm gonna say in terms of what do you call it? In terms of like how easy it is to use, it definitely took me a while to kind of get the gist of it. Definitely have a few nails that look very crazy, but I will say that it's really easy to like go back in and fix certain things, so it's not too bad. So right now I'm just wiping the nail with the alcohol swab. Sorry for the angles I was doing earlier. It's so hard to film, especially because the sun has gone down, but basically wiping the nails right now with the alcohol swab things, and just going to get them so they're not sticky anymore, because right now they're very sticky. Okay, so I ended up removing that pink nail, so now I have the base coat on, and I'm going to redo the PolyGel with the clear color. And the PolyGel is in the form as I showed you guys earlier. Lightly pressing, then I'm just going to clean it up, and I'm going to go underneath and smooth it out. That's very important. Cure for 60 seconds, and once it's cured, I forgot to show you guys how to take the form off, but literally just give it a slight squeeze from each side and it's gonna pop right off. It's so easy. And once it's done, I'm just going to file the nail into my desired shape. It's very easy to work with. It's unbelievable. It's so soft. It's not like acrylic or hard gel. It's like a hybrid of them both. It's so easy. So here are my nails directly after filing. Please ignore my thumb. I still have the pink nail on at this point. And the polish I use on my nails is the Wave Gel in Powder Puff. Modelones did not include a clear pink color in their kit, so I had to use my own. And after painting my nails, I did 2 coats of the Powder Puff color, and then I'm just applying Modelones top coat, which is so shiny and glossy. I am obsessed. Then I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. Here are my nails directly after curing. I'm just going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil just to moisturize those cuticles. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Link to this kit will be in my description box below, as I said. And I definitely rate this kit a 9 out of 10. Only because they did not have their own clear pink color for us girls that like our nails really simple. But other than that, I really love the kit, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.